speeds. Move to your left just a little bit. Right there. Baby step to your right. Eyes down. And puppet up just a bit. There you go. Perfect. All right. Whenever you're ready, Chris.
All right. Woo, sugar! I'm little Richard, and I've got a show coming right at you. Well, not right at you, because you're going to have to come to me. But who's not going to come to me? Because I'm beautiful, people. Beautiful. Woo!
Let's go again. He moved down a little bit during that.
You said sugar or sugar? Or
Sugar.
Sugar?
Sugar. Woo! Am I looking at the...
To the left. Right there is dead on.
All right.
Puppet up just a little bit. Is that all right with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Whenever you're ready. Hammer a little bit, so it keeps dropping down just a little bit.
Okay, that's fine.